Hey guys, what's up? I thought I would give you guys an EDC update since it's been a really long time. Since then I've joined the military and do a couple other things now. And I'm back in school, in college, and things have gotten a lot more busy in my life. So anyways, let's get on with it. Show you guys what I have on my person almost all the time when I'm just out and about. First off, we've got the big skinny wallet, trifold, badge holder in the middle. My badge isn't in there. Over here I've got my credentials and my license behind it, credit cards, stuff like that. Warrior ethos, military rank that I pulled off my uniform when I got promoted. And in here, actually, this is kind of interesting. This is all of the military cards that I've got to have on me at all times. Kind of a thing. It's a inspectable item, if you will, along with the Warrior Ethos tab. Back here, I've got 20 bucks. You don't want to see that. That doesn't interest you. Put that to the side. Next up, in the same pocket, my left front pocket, I have the Tough Rider USN pen. Love this pen. Got it on eBay for like 20 bucks. Really expensive pen when it was new. Moving over to my my right hand side, I've got my iPhone 5 in a Mophie case. Fully charged. Then in my cargo pocket or on my head, I always have the Oakley eye patch 2s. And along with that, I have a an Oakley camo sleeve / washcloth with food on it. Now, in the waistband, I've got a Glock 19 Gen 4 in a Remora holster. Go ahead and clear that for you. Clear. Slide that over here. And Federal hollow point 9mm. Front right cargo pocket. Just got a spare mag. You never know how much ammo you need. I just recently started wearing contacts, so I carry eye drops and 32 gigabyte flash drive. Then in my back left pocket, car keys. Nothing new, you've seen it before. House keys on the quarter bottle hook. Same thing. Rear right pocket. Got a CRKT M16 knife. It's not a, I know what you're thinking, it's not a assisted open, it's the piece back there. Put that to the side right there. And that's gonna pretty much do it for me, aside from a lighter. Never know how useful this can come in handy. And my vaporizer. I picked up smoking in the military and now I've quit. So, also got my Naughty Dan's LE3 paracord bracelet. And I stopped using the Sunto because the bezel got too scratched and the little rubber band holder broke off, so I started using a rubber band and it got too much of a hassle. So now I've got a just a Casio that was sent to me in basic training, just to beat around. And a grenade blew up on this one in the corner. It's all scratched up. Good watch, does everything the Sunto does. Don't have to worry about it because it was cheap. So, there you go. Got the Glock 19 Gen 4 FDE, 2 spare mags, keys, watch, iPhone, vaporizer, flash drive, Oakley's, Tough Rider USN tactical pen, Bic lighter, Naughty Dan's LE3 paracord bracelet, and a big skinny trifold badge holder wallet and eye solution. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.